Hi guys, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ito naman pong kaibigan yung si Jake. Sa video natin ngayon, pag-usapan po natin ang pag-endorso ng former Vice President po natin si Leni Robredo kay former Secretary Abalos and former Senator Manny Pacquiao, no? So before tayo guys magsimula, magpapasalamat muna po ako sa lahat ng mga viewers natin, followers at supporters, no? Maraming salamat po guys sa inyong walang sawang panonood at suporta. Kung bago lang kayo sa channel ko at gusto nyo ang video nito, paki-like lang po, share, and huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe. Ito po ay personal na endorsement ni Attorney Leni Robredo, no? So medyo gumawa din ito ng ingay kasi hindi nag-expect ng kanyang mga supporter na mag-endorse po siya kay former Secretary Attorney Benhur Abalos at former Senador Manny Pacquiao, no? So sa ayon sa ulat, former Vice President Leni Robredo on Wednesday endorsed the Senate bids of former Interior Secretary Benhur Abalos in her former rival for presidency, boxing icon Manny Pacquiao. Robredo cited Abalos for his quiet yet dependable assistance to the city over the years. Actually, according po kay Leni Robredo, he has been our friend for a long time, served as mayor of Mandaluyong for many years, became interior secretary, a very good one, and also served chairman of Metro Manila Development Authority, is now running for senador. Naalala daw ni Leni Robredo na si Benhur Abalos ay nag-extend ng tulong sa Naga when the time is needed, especially Typhoon Christine. Sabi nga ni Abalos, nagpapasalamat daw siya sa endorsement ni Leni Robredo, no? So let's scrutinize our candidates. The future of our country over the next 6 years lies in their hands. Let's look closely to their accomplishment and platform, said. So Robredo endorsed Abalos during her birthday last Wednesday. Abalos visited her in Naga. He also accompanied Pacquiao as campaign in the city, no? Ang pag-endorso ni Leni Robredo nag-flag online some of Robredo supporters. Now, ano po ang ibig sabihin nito, no? Hindi po natin pwedeng husgahan na mali ang inendorso ni former Vice President Leni Robredo kay Senator Manny Pacquiao and former AMDA Secretary Benhur Abalos, no? Kasi may mga reason din siya na ibinigay. It is her personal choice, no? Dapat natin respetuhin, guys, no? Sa akin naman, sa aking personal, may nagawa naman si Abalos. Si Pacquiao, ewan ko lang, kayo na namang humusga, no? Pero alam ko during the time na senador sa palagi lang sa wala kasi nagbo-boxing siya, palaging absent. Yun lang po ang naalala ko sa kanya, at saka wala masyadong project or natulungan si Pacquiao, no? As far may remember. So vote wisely, no? I'm not endorsing any the two of them, Pacquiao and Abalos. Kayo na po guys mag-analyze, no, kung bubutuhin yung dalawa or hindi. Kung may comment kayo, pakilabagay lang po sa comment section ng ating video. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Please vote wisely. Mahalin natin ang Pilipinas, and huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe sa channel ko, guys. Maraming salamat. I love you all. Ingat po tayo lagi. Ito naman po ang kaibigan nyo si Jake. Paalam.